It's tax season kicking off now, and for people that are expecting a refund, you're excited it's tax season. For people like me who perma owe money, well, this isn't such an exciting time. But for early filers, there's a few things I want you to be aware of. That having to pay for tax prep, if you have a pretty simple tax return, is absolutely not necessary this tax season. A year ago, I talked about a new IRS program that was in a pilot phase called Direct File. And with Direct File, you're able to write at irs.gov, you set up an account. The IRS already has your W-2s and 1099s and all that. And it's an ultra quick process to prepare and file your tax return for free. And a bunch of states participate in it as well. The important thing for you to know is that the four biggest states, which I guess are California, Texas, Florida, New York, are all participants in Direct File. And there are a bunch of other states, accounting for about half the states in the country, that are part of Direct File. So you set up the account, you do your return, which is amazingly quick and easy, and then you submit. We were the last country in the developed world to offer something like what we call Direct File here. And it's something that a lot of Americans are afraid of because you don't trust the government. But the process is so transparent that I would tell you that I would not worry about that. Here's what I would worry about. Do not have the IRS send you a check for your refund. The number of these checks that are being swiped in the mail is so large, and then the time to get your refund reissued can be as long as more than a year. So you want to set up direct deposit of that refund. Absolutely do direct deposit. It's really easy to set up. It means the money will not be intercepted on its way from you doing the Direct File into your account. Now, if you don't like the idea of Direct File, the Free File program is still alive and well. Free File allows about 90-something% of taxpayers to use free software from major tax preparation firms. And so if you go to irs.gov, you'll see the Direct File link, you'll see the Free File link, and then you choose which software you want to use. Now, who's not eligible? People who make a lot of money. So the top 10% of income earners in the country approximately are not eligible. But who shouldn't be using this stuff anyway? Anybody who owns his or her own business, people who make quite a bit of money anyway, should be looking at hiring a tax professional, either a CPA who does tax or an enrolled agent. It would be a bad decision if you've got complicated finances for you to do your return yourself electronically. That's when I really like for you to have professional tax help. Again, you own your own business, you're an entrepreneurial type. You're usually used to fending for yourself, doing things yourself. The complications of the tax code and the benefits available to you as a business owner make it a better idea for you to have that professional help. And if you've got a complicated family, you got a lot of money coming in, whatever, again, you want that professional help, not a simple software package. My advice. And please take to heart what I said about no check coming in the mail for you from the IRS. The criminals are too good at breaking into those boxes and stealing the mail.